In the last video, I showed you how to create this using the layer cake method. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to do the subtraction method, and then we'll do the circles, these like holes, in a different video. So let's go over here, and I just want you to see this is 64, this is 13, this is 10, this is 13, and the overall height is 48. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this real quick. So we're going to go over to Inventor, and this is what I did with the layer cake method, and now we're going to go to New, and I'll show you this. So this is pretty cool. So let's do this from the right view. I'm going to start with a rectangle. I'm going to do this off to the side because I want you to see a little bit better. So I'm going to cross the bottom, and I'm going to type, see how it says 90 degrees, but at the bottom it still says inches. I'm going to go back up here, and I'm going to go to, each time you do a new drawing, you have to change the units to millimeters, if you're using millimeters for that one. Alright, so let's go back to here. We're going to go to inches, to a line, excuse me, and not inches, we're going to use millimeters, and we're going to go over 48, I'm sorry, 64. I'm going to come up 13. I'm going to go over 10. And then this is the part where I'm going to go all the way up. So I'm going to say 48 minus 13, because the overall height is 48, and that's from the bottom to the top, and I'll prove it to you. From here to here now is 48. So now I'm going to do the same exact thing over here. So I'm going to draw a line. I'm going to go up 13. I'm going to go over 10. And I'm going to go up, and I'm going to go up until it meets that other one. And then I'm going to close it in. And then when I extrude it, I'm going to extrude it. If you look at this drawing right here, this is 118. So I'm going to extrude this. I'm going to go the other way. 118. Then the last thing I'm going to do is up here. I'm going to go to, from the front back like this, and the dimension that I know is not this dimension. I'll show you. So it doesn't give me the dimension from here to here, but it does give me the dimension from here to here. So I'm going to measure backwards, and I'm going to go to dimension. I'm going to select this line to this line, and I'm going to type 60 from the back. Pretty easy. And then I'm going to finish this, and I'm going to extrude it down. Now I'll show you a cool little trick. So we want to cut this, but we only want to cut it down so it's 13 inches, or 13 millimeters up from this, or 26 inches up from, 26 millimeters up from the bottom. Just like, well, I closed it. So from here, so we want to come down this distance, and I don't know what that is. I can figure it out in my head, but I'm going to say 48 minus 26, just like I did before. So I'm going to say 48, we're going to cut it, 48 minus 26, and boom. And there is my addition and subtraction method. Alright.